Now, I know how the title sounds, but when I say make any woman want you, even when she's not interested, I'm not talking about forcing attraction or tricking someone into liking you, because that's just not how any of this works. What I'm actually talking about is understanding the gap between initial disinterest and genuine disinterest, and how a lot of guys accidentally kill their own chances before they even really get started. So, if you're someone who feels like women write you off too quickly, or you've been in situations where you thought there was no chance, but then things shifted, or you're just confused about why some guys seem to turn things around when it looked like the girl wasn't into it, this is going to help clarify a lot of that for you. Now, before we go any further, you need to know that there will be women who just aren't compatible with you, who are in relationships who aren't looking for anything, or who genuinely just don't feel that spark. And that's completely okay. What we're talking about here is the much more common situation where a woman hasn't decided yet, where she's neutral or mildly curious but not sold, and where your behavior in those next few minutes or next few interactions is actually what tips the scale. A lot of guys don't realize that what feels like rejection is often just hesitation. And hesitation is not the same thing as a closed door. So, the first thing I want you to understand is that initial disinterest from women is usually more about caution than it is about you specifically. When a guy approaches a woman or starts talking to her, whether that's at a bar or a party, or even in a more casual setting like a coffee shop, her first instinct isn't to evaluate whether you're attractive or interesting. Her first instinct is to figure out if you're safe, if you're going to be weird, if you're going to make her uncomfortable, or if this interaction is going to end up being something she has to escape from. I think sometimes men take that initial coolness personally, like she's already decided she doesn't like you. But what's actually happening is she's in assessment mode. She's not thinking, I'm not interested in this guy. She's thinking, I don't know yet if this is going to be a good interaction or an awkward one. And this is where so many guys mess up because they interpret that caution as rejection and they either get defensive or they give up immediately. And that actually confirms her hesitation because now you're acting insecure or you're retreating, and that doesn't feel good to her either. I remember being in college and having guys come up to me at parties, and the ones who immediately seemed hurt or frustrated when I didn't light up right away were the ones I would lose interest in the fastest. It wasn't because I had already decided I didn't like them, it was because their reaction to my neutrality made me uncomfortable. But the guys who just stayed calm and kept the conversation going without needing me to validate them right away, those were the ones where I'd find myself actually getting interested as we talked. So, when you're in that early stage and she seems a little distant or not super engaged, the best thing you can do is just stay relaxed and not make it mean something about you. Keep the conversation light. Ask her something about herself and give her a reason to feel like this interaction is going to be enjoyable and not something she needs to manage or escape from. The second thing that a lot of guys don't realize is that women are often waiting to see if you're actually confident or if you're just performing confidence. And I know that sounds confusing because it's like, how is she supposed to know the difference? But trust me, we can tell pretty quickly. Performed confidence looks like a guy who's trying really hard to impress, who's talking about himself a lot, who's name dropping or showing off or making sure you know how great he is. Real confidence looks like a guy who's comfortable with silence, who asks questions and actually listens to the answers, who doesn't need her to be impressed in order to feel good about himself. When a woman seems disinterested early on, a lot of times it's because she's picking up on the fact that you're trying too hard, and that makes her pull back because it feels like you're not being genuine. And this doesn't mean you're a bad person or that you're doing something wrong on purpose. It just means that the energy you're putting out is a little too intense or a little too focused on getting her approval, and that's not attractive because it signals insecurity. What actually makes a woman start to want you is when she realizes you are not desperate for her attention. And I don't mean playing games or acting disinterested. I mean genuinely being okay whether this works out or not. When you're talking to her and you're engaged and present, but you're not hanging on her every word like your self-worth depends on whether she likes you, that's when she starts to feel like, okay, this guy is actually interesting. He's not just trying to win me over. He's actually enjoying this conversation. I've been on dates where I wasn't particularly excited going in, and then the guy was just so comfortable in himself and so easy to talk to that I found myself wanting to see him again. And it wasn't because he did anything specific to impress me. It was because he made me feel relaxed and like I could be myself around him. So, if you're in a situation where she doesn't seem that interested at first, one of the best things you can do is just focus on having a genuine conversation and not worrying so much about whether she's into you yet. Now, here's where it gets a little more specific. A lot of guys think that if a woman isn't flirting back right away, or if she's not laughing at every joke, or if she seems a little reserved, that means she's not interested. But from a woman's perspective, a lot of times we're just waiting to see how you handle the interaction. Are you going to get needy if I'm not super enthusiastic right away? Are you going to keep pushing if I'm not giving you the response you want? Or are you going to just be normal and let the conversation develop naturally? When you stay calm and don't react to her lack of immediate enthusiasm, that actually makes you more attractive because it shows her that you're not easily thrown off and you're not going to be emotionally exhausting to be around. This doesn't mean she's definitely going to end up liking you, but it keeps the door open. Whereas getting visibly disappointed or trying harder to get her attention usually closes that door pretty quickly. 1. Really common mistake I see guys make is that they'll be talking to a woman who seems kind of neutral, and then they'll either start complimenting her a lot or they'll start asking her really direct questions about whether she's single or whether she'd want to go out sometime. And they do this because they're trying to figure out where they stand. But what that actually does is it puts pressure on her to make a decision before she's ready. And when you force someone to decide before they've had time to actually get a feel for you, they're usually going to lean toward no, because it's the safer option. Instead of trying to get a yes or no out of her early on, just focus on creating a comfortable dynamic where she's enjoying talking to you. Let her warm up to you naturally, and you'll notice that her body language will start to shift. She'll start asking you questions back. She'll start smiling more, and that's when you know the door is actually open. Another thing that I think is really important to understand is that attraction for women builds over time in a way that's different from how it works for a lot of men. A guy can see a woman and feel attracted pretty much immediately based on how she looks, and then the conversation either confirms or kills that attraction. For women, it's often the reverse. We might see a guy and think he's cute or he seems interesting, but the attraction doesn't really kick in until we've talked to him for a bit and gotten a sense of his personality, his energy, how he makes us feel. So, when you're in that early stage and she doesn't seem super into it yet, that's not necessarily a bad sign. It just means she hasn't gotten there yet. And the way you help her get there is by being present, being genuinely curious about her, and not making her feel like she owes you anything. When a woman feels like you're enjoying her company, but you're not expecting her to perform or to give you validation, that's when she starts to relax. And that's when attraction has room to actually develop. I also want to talk about something that I've done myself without realizing it, which is testing a guy's reaction to see how he handles things. And I don't mean playing games in a manipulative way. I mean just naturally being a little bit reserved or not super enthusiastic early on to see if he's going to stay consistent or if he's going to change his energy. When I was younger and guys would approach me, I would sometimes be kind of neutral just to see how they'd respond. And the guys who stayed relaxed and friendly were the ones I'd end up being interested in. Whereas the guys who got visibly frustrated or who started trying way harder were the ones I'd lose interest in immediately. It wasn't a conscious decision on my part. It was just that the guys who didn't need me to validate them right away felt safer and more attractive. So, if you're noticing that a woman isn't super warm at first, there's a good chance she's just watching to see how you handle it. And the way you handle it is by not changing who you are based on her reaction. Just keep being yourself. Keep the conversation going and don't make it a big deal. One more thing I want to touch on here is the difference between someone who's not interested yet and someone who's genuinely not interested. If a woman is giving you one-word answers, if she's not making eye contact, if she's physically turned away from you, or if she's looking around the room like she's trying to find an exit, those are signs that she's actually not interested, and you should respectfully move on. But if she's engaged in the conversation, even if she's not super enthusiastic, if she's asking you questions back, or if she's staying in the interaction, That's a sign that the door is still open. A lot of guys give up too early because they're looking for really obvious signs of interest. But the reality is that most women aren't going to show super obvious interest until they've decided they actually like you. And that decision usually happens over the course of the conversation, not at the very beginning. So just because she's not flirting heavily or laughing at everything you say doesn't mean she's not interested. It might just mean she's still figuring it out. So, to bring this all together, the reason some guys are able to turn things around even when a woman doesn't seem interested at first is because they understand that initial hesitation is not the same thing as rejection. They stay calm. They don't take it personally. They focus on creating a comfortable dynamic instead of trying to force attraction, and they give her space to warm up to them naturally. Attraction is not something you can manufacture or trick someone into feeling, but you can absolutely create the conditions for it to develop by being confident, being genuine, and being patient. And when you do that, you'll notice that a lot of women who seemed uninterested at first will actually start to show real interest, not because you did anything manipulative, but because you gave them a reason to feel comfortable and curious about you. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. Have you ever been in a situation where a woman seemed disinterested at first, but then things shifted? And what do you think made the difference? And if you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe because I post videos like this every week talking about dating and attraction from a woman's perspective. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next